Hello, I'm going to do a series on what I understand about music theory so that I can share it with other people who would like to learn these things. The first thing we're going to talk about is the major scale. Now, I've drawn out a piano here, and you have to understand that this right here butts up against this right here. So when we go from B, we're going to C. Okay, this end connects here. I've just drawn one octave because it's easier to do that way. Okay, when we start out with a scale, a major scale, we're using the piano because it's the easiest way to learn that I've found. We're using all white keys because if you start on C and you play all the white keys up to C, you play a major scale. It's because of the way it's arranged, and the reason it's like that is because you have C, and then you take a whole step to D, and then another whole step to E, a half step to F, a whole step to G, a whole step to A, a whole step to B, and a half step to C. You can see this relationship in the black notes because you have two whole steps in the first part, then you have a half step, then you have three whole steps and another half step. In order to form your scale, you're going to start on a note, take a whole step, so that's two half steps, and then you'll take another whole step, and then you'll take a half step, and then you'll take another whole step, another whole step, another whole step, and a half step. So a major scale is composed of two whole steps, a half step, three whole steps, and another half step. Now I've numbered the keys here because in the key of C, C is 1, D is 2, E is 3, F is 4, G is 5, A is 6, and B is 7. When you come back to C, it's number 1 again. Okay. D is the second of C. E is the third of C. F is the fourth of C. G is the fifth of C. A is the sixth of C. And B is the seventh of C. That's why the numbers are under here as they are, because they're numbered according to the relationship to the first note. Okay, so if I want to play the seventh of C, I'm going to play a B. If I want the fifth of C, I play a G. If I want the third of C, I play an E. That's basically how the scale works. I'll make another video explaining major and minor intervals and how chords work. Thank you for listening.